Hello, welcome to our apartment tour in SAPA, Vietnam.
Hey guys, it's Nick and Gia. We're 2 hours away from leaving Sapa, Vietnam to head down to central Vietnam to check out Da Nang City and live right on the beach for about 2 months.
It's a 20-hour bus ride.
Yes it is, but there aren't any rats on the bus.
You did not. We are currently in our Airbnb and we've been living here for an entire week.
Yeah, it costed about, what, like $100?
$100.
Yeah, it was about $100 for the week, but if you were to book a month, I think with the discount on Airbnb, it would go down to like $320 or $350 for the month, which isn't terrible, but you'll see why maybe it isn't the best deal in the world in a minute.
She's cute from the outside.
Yeah, we'll show you some clips of the surrounding area real quick before we head into the actual inside.
Welcome back. So we are currently inside our studio apartment. What do you call this?
I would say it's a studio. It's a studio with a kitchen and a decent bathroom.
Full bathroom.
Full bathroom. Yeah, like a nice wet room.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's show us around the place, Gia.
So it is really just one big rectangle, so it's pretty minimalist. This is our bed. The mattress is oddly comfortable. I honestly feel like this is the most comfortable mattress we've had.
I would agree. Yeah, they put it up on these like pallets right here. Let me just put my legs in. Right here.
Free taupe.
Right there is the pallet. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Right here, this is probably my favorite feature of the house. We have a nice window. It's really nice because when you open it up, it's got some of the best views of the rolling hills and the rice paddies. Over there you can see we have our Wi-Fi router. This place has incredible Wi-Fi, which is a little bit surprising considering that it's in the middle of nowhere.
We're about like 20 minute walk from the city center. And you have to walk down these like kind of gravel roads.
A mountain, some would say.
A mountain. And so yeah, it is surprising that there is insanely good Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a lovely couch.
It's a pretty comfortable couch, yeah. They got these little like branch features with light bulbs. The first time I turned this light bulb on right here, it blew up. That was fun. The landlord was really nice though. He came and fixed it the next day. That one too. That one didn't blow up, but we also haven't turned that one on much because it's right above us while we sleep. Pretty comfortable couch though, and I like he did these little finishes. If you go over here, like there's this little, you go over here, there's this little painting and a little chair type of situation, a little clothes rack, pretty nice, pretty nice. And then my personal favorite feature of the house, little bookcase right here. He threw a plant on there, and then just all kinds of Haruki Murakami books. I was pretty excited about this when I saw it on the Airbnb listing, but I didn't realize at the time that they're all in Vietnamese, so I didn't get to read any of those.
Walking through these little curtains, please ignore the little draping situation.
Oh, we'll get to that. We'll get to that.
But this is our kitchen. It's very, very cute when the sun comes through. Very minimalist. We've got like a hot plate over here, a little mini fridge, and we have a little trash can with a lid. It's very important here that you have a lid because there are little animals and creatures that like to get in there. You can see little tooth marks.
Yeah, those are from the rats that come in at night and try to get all the food.
But anyway.
Yeah.
So going through here, this is our kitchen. We've got a cute little sink. Very, very minimalist. We didn't really cook a lot anyway, so we didn't really use it. The only thing we used was the hot kettle. And we have a special guest. We have Gregory. We met Gregory this afternoon on our last day here. We honestly feel a little bit bad because we didn't welcome him a lot at first.
No, we tried to kick him out.
We tried to evict him.
Forcefully with a broom.
With the broom.
And we then tried to throw the laundry hamper on him.
Yeah, and we feel really bad now looking back at it, but he did terrify us. He was sitting on top of the trash can.
Well, yeah, he fell from the ceiling, so let's come in here a little bit. If you look up here, you see that little mesh thing right up there? Right there. They come in there, and then they get on this this thing up here, and then they fall through somehow, and our trash can was sitting right on the floor, right around there. And we come in to go use the trash, and this little guy is sitting there. So let me just put the camera down here. See him? Yeah, not exactly ideal. So yeah, that is really not what you want.
But he's a cutie now. He's actually taking a nap. He came out a little hot at first and was a little scary, but he's just chilling underneath and you know, he's not bothering anyone now. I believe he is a tree frog. He's got like long webbed fingers. He's so cute. Mm-hmm. And here is our wet room. We've had some good luck with getting like a Western shower situation going since we've been in Asia, but this is the first time that we've had a wet room. Mm. Honestly, not bad. I kind of liked it.
Yeah, it's really not bad at all. It's the nicest thing is that it's got the best hot water situation of any place we've been in Vietnam. It's a little bit primitive, especially for me because I'm pretty tall, so I have to kind of crouch the whole time, and the ceilings I'm not a big fan of, but the mirror is nice-ish, I guess. See, there's a little bit of mold in there. All in all, not the best, not the best.
It's just very minimalist.
Very minimalist indeed.
It got the job done. A little bit.
And yeah, and then the one other thing that we had that we think we have to talk about this place was what happened yesterday. Gio, would you like to take lead on that? What happened yesterday?
Well, I had some company in the bathroom.
Yeah. So she's going to the bathroom and I hear just this crazy ear-piercing scream, and knowing Gia, I thought maybe it was an ant or I don't know, maybe some water got on her. But then I get up and I look, and then there's a rat about this size just kind of scurrying across. And yeah, so the place does have rats, and it also has frogs.
His name is Gregory.
It has rats and it has Gregory, which isn't the best. And although the place is cheap, I don't really think $350 to $400 a month is that cheap for Vietnam. And so, I don't know, you'd kind of expect there not to be rats in the place. But
we paid for this Airbnb for a kind of out there in the wild experience, and we surely got it.
We did.
Spiders and all.
Yeah, we wanted to get out in the wilderness. I wanted to finish the first draft of my novel. We wanted to kind of decompress from the chaos that is Hanoi. We wanted to see some beautiful mountains, which honestly the scenery of SAPA is incredible. We found some amazing restaurants in the downtown area. The downtown area of SAPA as a whole is just absolutely beautiful. We're going to make a little walking kind of podcast video about that. It's going to come out in a couple of days. But yeah, it's just, SAPA is an amazing place. I'd highly recommend you come. But definitely research where you're staying.